Temperature is 86.7. It's jumped up a half a degree.
You want to say something?
86.9.
You want to say something? Tell us who you are.
Did you hear that?
Yes.
That sounded like it was in the room next door to us.
Sounded like it was down there.
Did you hear that?
Yes.
That sounded like it was in the room next door to us.
Sounded like it was down there.
Did you hear that?
Yes.
That sounded like it was in the room next door to us.
Sounded like it was down there. Make that noise again. Can you make a noise? Knock on the wall.
Just for record, that was Paul knocking on the wall.
No, it wasn't. Are you down there? Now I smell a musty smell.
This is really weird. The temperature says 86.8.
Keeps changing.
No, as far as I've known this thing, it only goes in 3, 5, 7, and 9. It doesn't go in even numbers.
Anybody down there? Say something. Okay, we're going to end this EVP session. We're going to end it now. Thank you. Time?
8:47.
Just close it.